Hi friends, it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. Before I get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Steffi Blue Bear. So today I'm going to be doing another lip kit review, and I'm going to be reviewing some more of Lime Crime's lip kits, mini lip kits. So my store finally got some more Lime Crime products, and we got some different colors that I don't have yet, so I was like, I need to get it because if I like the lighter ones, I might like the darker ones. So the colors that I got is Fangs, which is the this one is Fangs for the lip liner, and then Cranberry Jelly for the plushie. And so it looks like this, very cute packaging. And then the other one is in the color Girl for the lip liner and Cider for the plushies. And again, so this one's more like a red based kit, and this one's more like a brown based kit. So let's try this one first, which is the Girl and Cider. So packaging is really cute. So this is how the little plushie looks like, and the color looks so beautiful. I can't wait to put that on my lips. And then this is how the liner looks like, typical like liner. So we're going to put the liner on first, and then we're going to be putting the plushies on top of it. There you go. So this is how the lip liner looks in the tube. And now we're just going to try that on my lips. I actually really like the color of this lip liner. It's like a dark mauve color. So it's really nice. I like that a lot. And now we're going to try the plushies, or the plushie. Smells really good. Wow, I really like this color. It's not too dark of a red, and since the plushies are more like a sheer formula, it kind of more looks like a stain, but I really like it. I'll probably definitely use this color more often. Really like it. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be doing is Fangs and Cranberry Jelly, which is like the darkest color out of all the ones they had. My store did kind of restock on the ones I had before, which was like marshmallow, cake, and something other like that, but ooh, I like how this looks. So this is how the lip liner looks like. It's like red. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm excited. And then the plushie looks like this. So it's like a almost grape kind of color. So I'm excited for this one, like a lot. So this is how Fangs looks like in the container. Wow, that's like a beautiful color. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. I really like the color of this lip liner. So on the lip liner, like in the container, it looks more like a darker red, but on your lips it's kind of like a berry color. So now let's try the plushie, which is Cranberry Jelly. I'm always having trouble opening these. And this is how Cranberry Jelly looks like on the full applicator. Also looks like a berry. I can't really describe the smell, but it just smells like it kind of smells like Sweet Tarts candy is what the smell smells like to me. So this is how it looks like. I really like this plushie a lot. It's like a beautiful red, like vampy color. It does look more like a berry red than it does like a dark burgundy red, but it's still really pretty. Now, this lip color kind of looks similar to the lip color that I did when I did the Best of Darks kit. It kind of looks like the Velveteen, which I don't even know what the name was. Wicked, I think. That's what this plushie looks like. I like it a lot. So, the lip liners. I absolutely love the lip liners. I've mentioned before that these are the very first lip liners that I actually feel comfortable wearing. I've had other lip liners, like not a lot, because I don't really wear lip liner, but from the few lip liners I have tried, these are the ones that feel real comfortable. They're not too hard, but they're also not too soft. They're like in the middle of being soft and creamy at the same time, so they apply really good, but they also don't break on you. So that's one reason why I love these lip liners. They're like perfect. Like they're perfect in between too creamy and too hard. Like the perfect lip liner. And for the plushies, I do like these colors. As you can see, they look really nice. One thing that people probably won't like about these colors is that it's not that thick. It's like more of a sheer formula. So you might have to put a few layers if you want to be dark, but I don't really mind it being sheer because of the fact that they're really sheer. You don't feel it on your lips at all. Like I wore, when I did my other review and I did like the lighter pink ones, I brought one to California with me when I went to Disneyland, and I wore like the lightest pink one I had, and it didn't even feel like I had it on my lips at all. Which is one thing I really like about Lime Crime's lipsticks, is that you don't feel like they're on your lips. So like you could just, you know, eat and drink and talk and you won't feel like it's there. Now these lipsticks, I'm pretty sure that when you eat and drink, they will come off. The Velveteens do stay on more, but I really like these colors. If you want something that is not too heavy like the Velveteens, but still give nice color, I do recommend these. And it doesn't really look that patchy on my lips, and it's already dry, so I do totally recommend these. These are obviously the small ones, and they're like the small plushies, but you know, definitely getting the kits do help to just make your decision if you want the full-size one. So definitely, once I finish these small ones, I definitely want to get the full-size versions of these. So in other news, I recommend both of these products, and I hope you guys decide to try these products out because I totally recommend these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, are you planning on trying these products? Please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.